Hey y'all, so I'm finna make some cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes. As you can see, I have my ingredients over here that will be clipped in the video. Right here, I got my mixture in my bowl. I got my YouTube put up so I can watch because I had made red velvet cupcakes so I can remember what I wrote. Anyway, we're finna pour the mixture. So y'all can see me pour it. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon toast crunch too. Okay, I got my 3 eggs that's about to go in here. Then we're gonna fill it up with 1 cup of water. Okay, this is 1 cup of water. So then we're gonna take and put 1.5. Kind of already cleaned up, so you want to clean up as you finna get ready to blend. Now how we finna blend? I'm literally watching myself make the red velvet cupcake that I had going on, and I am mixing as you can see. Sometimes you gotta take the spoon to scrape it around and make sure that you didn't miss anything. So. Y'all might get to me a little better, but we're finna get ready to pour this into the cupcake pan. They're very easily to pick up, y'all. Like, that's what you want. Like, look at that.